What is the most I can trim off my crepe myrtles without permanently damaging them? Thank you. Rob from Johnson City, Tennessee. And I know you like those questions about the crepe myrtles.
I do. And
so what do you think? That's pretty good size crepe myrtle too.
As far as this crepe myrtle goes, I'm not a tree topper. Mr. Hopper ain't a topper. So here's how I treat crepe myrtles. I selectively go in and I take out the stalks that aren't needed.
Okay.
This one here appears to have a lot of unnecessary growth in there. So I start with the bottom, what I can get with a handsaw, and then step away from it for a minute, take a look at the canopy and do some little touch-up pruning. So a crepe myrtle is going to respond well.
Okay.
In Johnson City, probably has a little bit colder temperatures than we have here in the winter times. So I wouldn't be trying to take off too much of the upper canopy. So I just go in and clean it out where you can see through it and it doesn't look like a bush, but it looks like a tree.
Right.
So selectively choose the stems that you want to remain.
Okay.
The ones that contribute to that upper canopy the most.
And that's what you're looking for, right?
That's what I did with the crepe myrtles at my office.
Okay. And you did that for us as well. Remember that.
I did.
You should remember that. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.